Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. Information technology field is in high demand, earning more than double the median annual wage for all other occupations. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics projects growth in IT occupations at more than 15% from 2020 to 2032. About 377,500 openings are projected each year. IT professionals make higher average salary than the average across all jobs. Employment opportunity with multinational companies across the globe. Welcome to admissions for BTech CSE from China in English medium at 3 lakhs fees per year. BTech Computer Science course specialties: Artificial Intelligence, Big Data, Software Engineering, Computer Science and Technology, Network Engineering, Internet and Things Engineering, Virtual Reality Technology. Duration is 4 years plus 1 year job guarantee. 4 plus 1 year program. The studies are at famous Dalian Neusoft University of Information in China, ranked 71st among world top 100 universities. Dalian Neusoft University of Information is established in the year 2000 with the approval of Ministry of Education, China. University is located in Dalian, a beautiful coastal city in northeastern China, at the center of Dalian Software Park. Just 30 minutes drive from Dalian International Airport, 40 minutes drive from Dalian Railway Station. Infrastructure: campus area is 833,000 square meters, building area of 609,000 square meters, 20,000 students capacity, international students 2,500, 1,000 plus faculty, digital smart campus. Amenities: comfortable hostel rooms for international students, supermarket for daily needs and utilities, food courts with delicious local and continental dishes, fruit shop with variety of seasonal fruits, sports and recreational facilities. Sponsor is Neusoft Group, a giant software company with 20,000 IT staff and globally spread out with subsidiaries in US, Japan, Europe, Middle East and South America. Many reputed MNCs across globe are their clients. Education philosophy is to empower students with innovative education. They adopt TopCare's model with 8 ability index system. Unique feature is Student Entrepreneurship Center, SOVO, where experienced mentor teachers guide students to take up innovative projects and also encourage high-quality entrepreneurship and startups. AI Social Bridge programs and advanced AI-driven technologies are harnessed. Special features of 4+1 program. 1:3:1 model of education. There are 3 semesters in a year. 2 sems theoretical, 1 sem skill training. In 3rd to 4th years, there is paid internship of 3,000 Chinese yuan per month, which provides an income of 4.5 lakh rupees. In 4th year, there is a scholarship of 28,000 Chinese yuan in tuition fee equal to 3.4 lakh rupees. On completion of degree, the graduate is offered with OPT, with salary ranging from 60,000 to 1 lakh Chinese yuan, equal to 7.5 to 12 lakh rupees package. To sum up, the 4 years expenses of tuition fee versus income reveals the student of 4+1 program can earn back tuition fee paid to university. Effectively study BTech CSE at zero cost. Eligibility: 12th pass, any group. Mac Tech Edu, an enterprise of Medico Abroad Consultants. Contact 9705055545.